Hi, Rena. Hope you're doing well. I just want to send you a video. I put in your classroom the quiz that you need to take, so that's there waiting for you. It's right here. You may use these assignments on your quiz from Chapter 17, Section 2. So 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, and 2.4. Some of them are guided note sheets, and others of them have a question or questions along with them. You may use those for your quiz. Your quiz is right here. It's 15 questions long. At the same time, we're moving forward with our unit here. We're on this. I call it a mini unit because we're using a different styled book, which I put the pages that we're reading. Let me grab it quick. So we use that book, and I put the pages in our classroom for you to read. And today there's an assignment that goes with it. Yesterday there was a slideshow as the assignment that gave you an option of reading the article that's in the slideshow or completing the video, which I posted separately in your classroom. So you may choose to either read the article about food deserts or watch a video on Edpuzzle about food supply. So I'm going to do my best to make sure that you keep getting the things that you need to receive, but I'll put your test for Chapter 17 and 18 in your classroom as soon as you have the quiz taken. Please let me know if you have any questions or if I can help you in any way. Bye.